You can't find your social security card and you need it for a new job or a passport renewal. Before you panic, know this. Most Americans can get a free replacement online without going to an SSA office at all, and the new card arrives in about 10 business days. Here is exactly how it works in 2026. There are two routes. The online route uses your My Social Security account at ssa.gov, takes about 10 minutes, and works for most US-born adults who haven't changed their name. The in-person route uses Form SS5 at your local SSA office and is required if you need a name change, are a non-US citizen, or live in one of the few states the online service doesn't cover yet. Before you start online, gather 3 things. 1. A valid US driver's license or state-issued ID. Passport works as backup. 2. An email address you control. You'll use it to verify your account. 3. Your full legal name, date of birth, and the address where you want the new card mailed. The card cannot be mailed to a PO box if your driver's license shows a street address. Go to ssa.gov/myaccount. Sign in with your existing My Social Security login, or create a new one through id.me or login.gov. Both are free identity verification services. Once you're in, click Replacement Documents, then request a replacement Social Security card. You confirm your identity, confirm the mailing address, and submit. That's it. No paperwork, no signatures. If you need a name change, after marriage, divorce, or naturalization, you cannot use the online service. You need 3 documents at your local SSA office. 1. Proof of the name change itself, like a certified marriage certificate or divorce decree. 2. Proof of your identity, like an unexpired driver's license. 3. Proof of US citizenship if it's not already on file, like a passport or birth certificate. Originals only. SSA does not accept photocopies. For the in-person path, you fill out Form SS5, Application for a Social Security Card. You can download it from ssa.gov/forms, fill it out at home, and bring it with you. The form is 1 page, asks for the same information as the online flow, plus the name change details if applicable. No signature is required until you hand it in at the office. 5 mistakes that delay your card. 1. Applying for a replacement when you already have a digital copy on your My Social Security account. You may not need a physical card at all. 2. Requesting more than 3 cards in a year or 10 in a lifetime. SSA blocks access requests. 3. Photocopying documents instead of bringing originals. 4. Trying to use the online service when you need a name change. 5. Paying a third-party site to do it for you. The SSA service is always free. Wait times. Online replacement, 10 to 14 business days from submission to mail delivery. In person, same wait once the SSA office processes your paperwork, plus whatever it takes to get an appointment, currently averaging 2 to 4 weeks. Most local offices require an appointment booked through ssa.gov or the 800 number. Recap. Most US-born adults can request a free replacement online in under 10 minutes at ssa.gov/myaccount. Name changes always require an in-person visit with 3 original documents. The replacement card arrives in 10 to 14 business days. Never pay a third party. The SSA service is always free.